Hello everyone and welcome to my history class. In this video I'll be continuing with the second chapter of class 9th history, that is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Till so far we have discussed till the incident of Bloody Sunday that held in the year 1905. Now to continue further, in Russia, the First World War that was started in year 1914, how the First World War had its impact on Russia, because Russia was one of the nations which were directly involved in the war. Initially, the decision to take part in the First World War was taken by Tsar Nicholas II. He took the lead of the army, Russian army, in the war, and in his absence, his wife Tsarina Alexandria, she took the lead, right, with the political advisor Rasputin, right. Tsarina Alexandria belonged to Germany. She belonged to Germany and she was of German origin, and somewhere the people in Russia, they hated this lady of her, because she was of German origin. When the war was started, initially few victories, Russia got few victories, but later on, as the war continued for long years, then Russia faced defeat at many fronts. Right, Russia was defeated by the Germany and Austria. And the fights that were taking place on the western and the eastern fronts were quite different. There were huge casualties. Many Russian soldiers died in the war. And to maintain an army strength, the Russian youth, the young people, they were forcefully recruited in the Russian army. They were not willing to fight, but they were forcefully recruited in the army. This led to a shortage of farmers and the craft persons or workers in the factories. And it had a negative impact on the agriculture and the industrial production in Russia. This led to shortage of food in Russia. Now, in the year 1917, it was beyond the imagination of the people that the war continued for long 4 years. And when 1917, this year started, due to the excessive cold conditions in Russia, the problems of the common people increased a lot. They faced a very terrible winters. So in the month of February, a revolution took place in Russia. When we talk about Russian Revolution, we are actually focusing on the two revolutions that took in the year 1917. First was the February Revolution and second was the October Revolution in the same year 1917. Right, so let's talk about the February Revolution in Petrograd. Petrograd is one of the main city of Russia, and there is a river centrally located within the city. It is river Neva. It divides the city into two parts, right and the left side. So the right side was of the workers and the left side was of the official buildings. So there were a very challenging, a very grim situation in Russia, where the workers were facing the problem of shortage of food. The prices of the food products increased tremendously, and the people were not able to buy the food. So what happened that in the workers' quarters, or in the section where the workers resided, the many factory workers, they organized strikes. And these strikes were led by the women section, and that is why this incident happened on 22nd February 1917, and that is why this date is now considered as International Women's Day, because when the strike was organized, it was organized under the leaderships of women, and it is now recognized as the International Women's Day. Right, on 25th February, the Tsar declared Duma. It suspended the Duma. Duma was the parliament of Russia. It was suspended by the Tsar. So when the suspension was done, it was publicly criticized. The leaders, political leaders, they criticized this action of the Tsar, and they became against of the Tsar. On 27th February, the Tsar called out for the cavalry and police to stop the demonstration and the processions that were taken, that was done by the workers. So instead of, they wanted cavalry, army and the police persons to control them, to suspend them. But what happened, the army soldiers, they also joined the workers, striking workers. And there was a union formed of the workers and the army people, and this union is called the Soviet, Petrograd Soviet. So this is Petrograd Soviet, and this Soviet, this union, now the army also stood against their own ruler Tsar Nicholas II. So what happened, on the very next day, a delegation went to meet the Tsar, and they forced the Tsar to abdicate the throne. So the fall of monarchy was because of the February Revolution. This ended the rule of Tsars in Russia, and in place of the Tsar's rule, the monarchy ended in Russia. A new provincial government was formed in Russia, and this government was headed by Menshevik leader Alexander Kerensky. This entire episode is the February Revolution. The significance of the February Revolution, that it ended the monarchy in Russia and a formation of new provincial government under Alexander Kerensky. This was the effect of the February Revolution. Moreover, many soldiers' committees, many committees of the farmers were formed. Soviets were formed. Soviet means unions. So such unions were formed, and a pressure was created on the provincial government to do the redistribution of the lands, and the land needs to be given to the farmers. So such demands were kept in front of the provincial government at that time. So we'll continue with this in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.